Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Midas Jimo. Finally, we cracked the code. We just cracked the code. Have you been struggling to actually be profitable in your financial build-up? Now, some of you have been trading Forex and you're struggling as if it's not working, as if Forex is scam, as if crypto is a scam. Trust me, it's not a scam. My name is Midas Jimo once again, and I have a very wonderful opportunity for you. And we have support system that's going to help you to succeed for the first time in the crypto, in the Forex, in synthetics. You get me right? But there's a beautiful one now that I'm going to show to you. It's purely about Forex, how to be profitable Forex. We have the tool required. Now, I'd like you to know that I've ventured into different platforms, to just maybe that will help you to understand what we have for you. We have a very fantastic, remarkable, partnership with a platform called CapitalXtend. And then why I have to open all these places to show you things that are about to happen, things that are about to erupt, right? Now, things that are about to erupt is what I want to show you. I happen to be member, like 1 year membership of ACAS. Now, but there's something I want to show to you. There's something I want to show to you. What I want to show to you is very simple, okay? What I want to show to you is very simple. Why is it very simple? I joined ACAS and I've seen a lot of program platforms, all right, that people are using, all right, scanners, all right, that have helped people to pass challenge account, funded account, and all of that. There's another platform called GIFO. And now for this platform, you need to spend over $1,000, probably for 1 year membership to have access to academy, to have access to a lot of things and all of that. So now, why am I showing us this? Because we have a wonderful opportunity for you that's going to help you so much to make money in the financial market. Trust me, you don't need to know too much. All you need to know is to obey simple instruction we're going to be giving to you. So these are different scanners that, of course, ACAS has, but I'm just going to go around, to show you, all right, not the ACAS scanner and all of that, but a very simplified opportunity and system we have for you to help you make money, right? Unlike before. I mean, I know a lot of you have run away from the crypto, from Forex that is not working. It's not true. You have not just gotten the right thing. If I've gotten the right tool, I can tell you it's working, right? Now, so I'm not saying all of those platforms that you have been joining are not good, but we just have a very simplified way of navigating the financial market more than what you ever think. Yes, more than, I can tell you, more than what you ever think. We just got it. We just cracked the code. We just cracked the code. And I'm going to show you, I have personal custom setup, custom setup for trading. So, but all of this scanner too. Something I want to let you know is that if you are not a scalper, right, some of this scanner may not really to make sense for you, because scalping is what give the room for all of these guys, as it were. Okay, so if you're a scalper, and I know a lot of people do scalping, but if you do not know how to scalp, right, you probably may not appreciate all of those scanner, right? So if you are a swing trader and all of that, you probably may not appreciate all of those scanner, or even a swing trader. Why not? Okay, so I just bring out one aspect on ACAS and all of that, and then you can see, right? This is what they call smart cash, right? So when you give an idea for people to actually short with 4 point, with valid, people short when they ask people to buy, I think from some here. Now, but I'm going to tell you where you have cutting edge opportunity with us, right? In Plan B Express, cash flow solution. So we've just cracked the code and it's going to be amazing. Seriously, you are going to love it. You are going to love it. You are going to love it, because we just have a very fantastic soft landing partnership with CapitalXtend, and it's going to be awesome. But you need to be attentive. You just need to obey simple instruction. I'm going to be showing you how to maximize opportunity available in it. Okay, so I just have to pick up this, so for you to appreciate what we do in Plan B Express and all of that. So everything you are looking for, when we expose you to the strategy we have, that's going to be a very, 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 and seriously amazing stuff that you cannot afford to just miss. Okay, so trust me, I'm going to take you around and show you the opportunity that abound on Plan B Express cash flow solution. courtesy in partnership with CapitalXtend, right? So, okay, so now let's go, because here, if it's not scalping, you may not probably appreciate it and all that. Okay, so now let's quickly go. I go to my trading view. I have different strategy. So this is scanner. I have different scanner. This signal was sent to my community, and I told them take profit. We first book profit here, return back. For any one of them who have time to scalp, return back, and take another buy up, take profits, or probably even targeting this place or anywhere for scalping. Another opportunity to buy, early buy here, return back here, and get contested, fantastic buy, another sell, Now another buy is peeping up, all right, going sideways, breakout, probably stop over here. And these are the thing. And so it's not only one instrument, it trade all instruments. Can you see? So this is a buy, fantastic buy, and continued. All right, this is good. Sell, sell, and then another buy is beaming up. Another buy is beaming up, or except otherwise. Okay, so look at Bitcoin the same way, right? So we have serious guys, amazing stuff that's helping us to scalp the market. You hear me right? Scalp the market to make the money. Look at it, 5-minute time frame. Scalp hell out of the market and make the money, guys. Scalp hell out of the market and make the money. It's so amazing. I trust me. And then this is a resistance. So why we have to work and bring out all of this permutation is to help a lot of people who definitely are highly challenging, to be profitable in the market. Remember, I just told you that this is about to give another buy and all of that. So now it's not difficult. It's just for us to explain to you how do they work and all of that. And this is US 30. Any instrument at all, crypto, forex, all right, power, maybe not synthetics, because so, but as far as any of those instruments is concerned, we hit it raw, massive, massive, and that's what you're going to have in the opportunity I'm going to present to you. So don't go anywhere. This is the cracking of the code. Not only one, I have too many of them, right? I have too many of them, right? See another one. Okay, see another one. Yeah, so you can see where we send the signal, and the signal is still running, and then guys are making money. So we have TP1 here, crosses, it's about to hit TP2. Yes, you heard me right. It's about to hit TP2. So look at it. We're on the scalp of 2 minutes scalping. This is amazing. So 5 minutes scalping. This is amazing. And all of that. Now another dangerous tool for 1 minute scalping, 5 minutes scalping. That's very, very powerful, right? So, so we just cracked the code. 3 minutes scalping, 5 minutes scalping, 1 minute scalping. Dangerous. Can you see? Right? This is 1 minute scalping. We have the tool, right? Pick it, take the profit. So hell out of it. So if you find a trade here, now I'm just showing you this, and that's what we're going to get free opportunity to, free access. And then what do you need to do? And I'm going to show you. So imagine you take the trade, you are within our community, you follow this instruction. Come on, this is 1:2, almost 1:3, but we don't want you to take more than 1:2. Assuming you even wait for it to so much confirm and all of that. So come on, this is crazy. So 1:2, 1:2 should be here. That's about 440 pips. Yeah, because this is 44 points multiplied by 10. Come on. Yeah. So scalping we have, but of course we have instruction for when you should scalp. So we have to do it together. All right. So look at this. So stop loss, let's say above here, so much. Okay. Then if you use just 0.01, so because of the volume of the instrument, come on, this is 2.9. Okay. That's about 800 and something. Now, so go down here. So you're going to make a lot of money. Okay. So scalping, we got the code. We got the code, guys. Everything you want, it's amazing here. So look at Bitcoin. Scalping, scalp everything out of Bitcoin here. Scalp everything out of Bitcoin here. Get is the confirm here, the confirmation. But I say I have every tool you're looking for. So let's say you have a delay entry, but of course here, so scalp a hell lot of Bitcoin, right? So not necessarily go to the highest week. So 1:2, guys. Let's go. Let's go. So about to hit, okay? Yeah, because of it was just at an important point and all of that. So, but if it starts the instrument, you're sitting down to scalp 1 hour, 2 hours, you are done for the day. You want to make the money you want to make. Yes, hear me right. You want to make the money you want to make. 1 hour a day, 2 hours a day. You can scalp everything you want to scalp, of course, but I will give you rules. There are rules I give to us so that we don't scalp at the wrong time. Because if you scalp at the wrong time, especially when there are news coming, so you have to be very careful. Ladies and gentlemen, so I have opportunity for you that's going to keep you making money consistently every day. You just come to the market and just collect your money. You just wake up, collect your money. Wake up, collect your money. Wake up, collect your money. Right? That's what I'm telling you guys. So I'm not hyping this. I'm just telling you what is reasonable, practicable. Now, because trading today, it's a lot easier than what you think before. What is important in trading is that you're making money. Yeah? If you're not making money, it's not making sense. Say that. Not making money, not making sense. So now, like today now, where we're going to, now in the noon time, in Nigeria local time, 1:30 p.m., that's not the time to scalp, man. That's not the time to scalp because it can be very, very dangerous. Why? We have a serious, important news that has to do with US news. So we have to be very careful. For the people who are trading GBP USD, now you have to be very careful in the evening, 8 p.m. Nigerian local time, right? So this is a news. Unemployment claim, a very, very important news. Tomorrow, now, are there news tomorrow? Yes, there's one important news tomorrow. Besides, tomorrow happened to be like towards the end of the month and end of the week. So you have to be very careful. Market can be very, very funny. So scalping, you can make a whole lot of money. I told you now, we just have all the tools that are useful for you to make money without stress. To make money, guys, without stress. Look at it. Bro, look at it. 1 minute scalping, 2 minutes scalping. Look at it. So imagine guy here. Oh, my code is dangerous. Yeah. So look at it. So okay, this is that one. So imagine 1:2. This is 1:3, guys. You can just do 2 hours and you close for the day. You're good to go. You'll make money. You're fine. You don't need to bother yourself. And look at it. The signal was sent. And of course, we understand, oh, this take profit region has just reached. So I'm going to send it to my community. Congratulations. TP2 hit. Yeah. TP2 what? Hit. Not too much stress. All I need to show you is to teach you basics so that when the thing is going south, you have understanding. You know what to do per time. Just to give you basic to understand few things. Market structure, price action. Price action, like, so you don't say, okay, Feli, why don't you trade just pure price action? Okay, this is what we do that. We do that. Simple price action, we do that. We don't stress ourselves for trading. We need the money, not the story. That's the thing. We do that. Price action, purely price action. We do that just to mark. And I always tell people for beginners, what you need is very simple. Price action is the first fundamental thing you need to learn, which has to do with what? A candlestick, a market structure, support and resistance. Then liquidity concept need to be understood, basic. And then need to understand what correlation of volume and how to check the volume, right? Then discipline. These are the things that are very important in your trading. Now, so here now to make it easy, see there are tools that are going to help me out to pick the money on the table while I'm doing other thing. And it's very simple. I have different tools, crazy tools that produces money, that make trading so fantastic. You're a beginner and all of that. You pick your money, you go away. Yes, you pick your money, you go away. You don't struggle yourself unnecessarily. So I have different tools. I have different strategy, right? Crazy, crazy, crazy strategy that help people to make money. This is another one. So this always coinciding together, working very perfectly that people can. So, but of course, when you have basic understanding of price action, and then it now align easily for, these are my scanners. I have fantastic scanners I've customized that is producing money. Right? This is another one. This is another one, guys. producing scanners, producing money. This is another one. I have lot of them that I've customized. Yeah, this is another one, guys. Okay, this is another one. Come on over here. Okay, this is another scanner, so they are more powerful than each other, but I don't want things to be too complicated or confusing. Look at it. This is another scanner. Can you see this scanner? Have you seen this scanner before? Come on. Man, very simple, right? Just to make the money. Don't disturb yourself. Come on, make the money. Make the money. Very simple. Make the money. Make the money. Make the money. Make the money. Look at it. This is a scanner. Powerful scanners that's going to give you money. Make the money. All right? So let's go. 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 Powerful scanners. Powerful scanners, guys. Look at this. 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 Come on. Come on. Come on. Look at this. What is this? Okay. Some can be more complicated than another. So I know. So I don't give everybody the same thing because, but I of course simplify scanners that help you to make money without stress. You have it right? Yeah. Let's go here. Look at this. This is another fantastic, powerful scanner that's going to help you to make the money. Look at it. So this is oil. Now it's already telling us that what is it? It's a close long and then long, close short, then long. Right? This is it. This is it, guys. This is it. This is it, guys. So if we check that other instrument now, let's look at what our other instrument is going to be showing. Oh my word, oh my word. This is it, guys. This is it. This is it, guys. I have dangerous scanners, guys. Dangerous scanners. I mean, dangerous scanners. That's going to help you to print out money. Yeah, so I don't like complicated things. That's why I have to show you the simplest one. And then you're going to make money, help yourself, make money. It's very simple. You can see gold selling, man. It has no sell. It's already selling. So look at it right here. It's already, man. You know what? Get selling. Get selling. Get selling, guys. So scalping, make money, and then close the trade, go to sleep, play with your family, and don't bother yourself so much. So this is amazing scanners. I have about 10. Okay, look at my scanners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 scanner, guys. 12 scanners, guys. 12 scanners. Look at the other one. It's very simple, but I have to explain to you how these scanners are being used. Right? Just explain to you guys so you can see this scanner, right? So this is very clean, simple, right? And then if you want to work with price action, very simple. And then trade 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute, and all of that. This is amazing, right? So if you want to work with that scanning now, so probably if you go to 2 minutes for instance, now, but of course, there are basic I teach, right? Now, this is very simple, right? Now, we're waiting that the market was to come down to this point, right? This is it. This is it. This is it, guys. This is it, guys. Right? So waiting, all right? This ought to be taken about. Remember this scanning, this scalping, and so you don't wait too much or too long for this entry. So if you go to 1 minute, you're going to see that you have collected your money before anyone wakes up. All right? So this is it. Fantastic scanners, guys. Fantastic scanners. Fantastic scanners. When I talk about scanner, fantastic scanner. So if you're even a late comer, as a late comer, definitely this is a rejection. This is a sell. How many pips is this? So why I'm showing us all of these, guys, is that we're preparing a lot of fantastic things that's going to help you. So even if we take it over here, that's going to help you, and we have a solution given to you. So 3271 market crashing there, 2.66. That's going to be how many pips, guys? That's going to be 90 pips when it hit down. But imagine for a man who understands what we're talking about, who find an entry here, and then look at it. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Man, this is amazing. So these are scanners, and then I'm just showing you massive stuff and my bundles of scanners that are going to help you to maximize the forex market, and then you're going to be profitable. You get me right? You're going to be what? Profitable. Highly profitable. Highly, highly profitable. Highly, highly profitable, ladies and gentlemen. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Now it has gone into support level, so you have to be very careful. On 1 minute anyway. So, but so if you have found this, then you have sold down from here. Your support, your resistance, your stop loss above that. Yeah, so this is your entry, your stop loss above that, and then targeting the support already. Yeah, that's going to be 2.2 ratio, stuff like that. Scalping, making a lot of money. Now it has got into support level, and then so now creating a bounce. Now it's going to confirm. I have other things that I use in confirming that. Ladies and gentlemen, I have other things that I use in confirming this, guys. This is amazing. Highly, highly amazing. We go to 2 minutes. It's another one, right? So 2 minutes, confirm support, right? Confirm support there, man. So let's look at 3 minutes. 3 minutes also, not really confirm support, but it's a sign, a point of importance, and that's the guys already are massively reacting from there with the pin bar and all of that. But in 2 minutes, in 1 minute, the massive support region. Guys, look at the back end. Can you see that? To go to 1 minute, you go. So 1 minute, you're a scalper, right? So because you could get rejected over here. Remember I told you? Because you understand simple price action. And those are the things we're going to be putting you through to understand, so that even when you're in the trade. Now, if I'm going to do this, it's just to take small positions. Small jump after this candle. Here is this next candle entry. Right. Look at it. So stop loss below here. Take profit over here. Come on, that's 1 ratio 2.66. Man, how many pips? 50 pips. My God. Okay. So it's going to be amazing. That's what we're going to be showing you and giving to you. And guess what? This is going to be free. Yeah, you heard me right. This is going to be free. We don't charge you for this. This is free, guys. Very, very free. I know what I'm talking about. This is free for you. Come on. So these guys still selling down because we gave this signal, right, to our group. You want to be part of it. It's so simple. You don't pay for it. I'm going to show you what to do. Just take responsibility, guys, and you're going to be making money. Come on, see this selling. Man, this is selling, everybody. This is selling. Yes. Now, one thing is this. I listen to people, they tell you that you don't need an indicator. True. Yeah. So what I say, my own message about indicator is that you don't depend on indicator. Now, they tell you don't need an indicator. And I said, you don't depend on indicator. Because why? We have different persons, and we are in need of different things. For the fact that I can go to my chart and I trade without looking at indicator does not mean that my clients are not going to need support system that will help you to be profitable, guys. After all, it's not about competition. It's about making money. You're not making money. It's not making sense. That's the thing I want to define to many persons. I come to the market, I look at the market on a plain ground, and then I do my analysis and I make my money. For instance, so look at US 30. All right, look at US 30. I'm going to open another chart there. So let's look at, let me open it on Black Bull. All right, so this is US 30, right? Very plain. And then what I do, very simple. I come into the market, I want to make money. Very simple, right? I want to make money. So what do? A new day come, and I'm a day trader or scalper, whatever. Very simple. I want to make money. So this is 50 MA, all right? It's good for you. You just want to know the trend. Okay, just to take it very simple, you come in a day, and then you discover that the market is like this, man. Now, when you come the other day when you were here, market was already here. This is a downtrend from here to here. For instance, if you take this here, let's look at it. I'm just showing you things that will tell you don't disturb yourself unnecessarily about what people say, right? Here, move this way. Okay? Okay? So okay, so let's take this way. So this is what? Here is a downtrend. Okay, if that is the case, let's look at it. Now, I just simplify something for you, and I'm arriving something for you, and I have very beautiful opportunity for you. So you cannot just take yourself off this opportunity. It's crazy, right? So let's go. Okay, I want to push it off. Okay, never mind. So here is an uptrend. You hear me right? On 1 hour time frame is an uptrend. So you woke up. The market is an uptrend because this is a low, this is a high, and this is a low, this is a high, this is a low, this is a high. Okay, so a 1 hour is an uptrend for the past. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th day. So on 1 hour is an uptrend, and if you look at it going back to where it was coming from, then we're going to take this now. For instance, let us take this guy. Now, I just want to show you something that you don't need to be a professor. It's just for you to be profitable, right? You don't need to be a professor, right? So you just need to make money. Now, this is supposed to be the potential resistance eventually. Now, this is what's going on. Now, here is a low, here is a high, here is a low, here is a high, here is a low. Now, what you do is this. I'm going to do something very importantly because when you come in, if you come in the morning, you will have find this long, all right? How do you find this long ordinarily? Now, I'm going to take my line. So I look normally identify the previous day, right? High, right? Previous day high, and very simple, then previous day low. Okay, so I found that. Then I could look for some pivot point, so areas where market actually reacted from. Yeah, so here we're then area where the market actually reacted from. Yeah, so here, okay, so perhaps this was good enough because this was the previous low, right? Right? This was a previous low, and there was a previous high. This is a previous low. Then I could find another area here. So they're very important to find, huh? Oh, good. So let's go. Good, good, good. So as I've come this way, then because you are just coming this afternoon, now this is what's going to happen. I'm going to mark this point because this is an area. Now, 4 things are very important. I've told you 4 things that are very important in the market for you or as a trader. 4 things are very important. 4 important things. 4 important things. Okay, 1, price action. 2, volume. Okay, let me put 2, right? 2, volume. And 3, liquidity concept. Liquidity concept. Liquidity concept. You get it? Then 5, sorry, 3. Okay. You can just miss out of the opportunity I have for you guys. It's risky not to be part of this marvelous opportunity. So liquidity concept, 5 or 4, discipline. Now there are more stuff, discipline. Now there are more stuff in this stuff I just mentioned, right? There are more stuff on these things I just mentioned, ladies and gentlemen. Now, first is price action. In the price action, 3 are very important. Pay attention. First, candlestick, okay? Candle, right? Candlestick. 2, market structure. So you can just try to MS. market structure, and 3, S and R. That's support to resistance. These 3 things, you need to understand them. They're very important. They're basics. They are very important for you. Now, price action, component of price action, more than these things I just mentioned. There's a trend line, trend and trend line. So, but you actually don't need trend line to identify trend. You need market structure to identify trend. Yeah. So now trend, it's movement, direction where the market is, that is order flow. Now trend line is to edge. So that imaginary number or lines that you want to use to see if we are sloping up or we are sloping down, something like this. So now there is a problem where people ask you that the way trend line ought to be drawn. Now they say strong trend line, a trend line that has at least 3 touch points. And so here you go. This here from to this one to this one. Now sometimes people find it difficult. Oh, how am I going to draw my trend line when it's not touching this? Okay, and it's not touching this. So what am I going to do? So it's obvious, the straight line. But this is it. What make you identify the trend more is actually not trend line, but the structure. Market what? Structure. And so if it's market structure, it's more important. So how do we get that? So look at it. So market structure give you what we call swings, different swing movement. Now, which are here, that's the lowest. The market actually move up here. All right. And here we go. Okay, so here, yeah, I think so. This one lower. Okay. So we're gonna find this. I'm coming. I'm gonna do something. Okay. Now we don't know where this guy is gonna stop. So let's say here. All right. So let's go. So that means this guy's gonna be pushed up here. Yeah. So you may not understand. Okay. This is an impulsive move, very massive move that broke this structure. All right. That broke this structure. Okay, so now this is it. So this is an uptrend. We have a low, we have a high, we have a higher low, we have a higher high, a higher low, a higher high. So a new higher low is going to be formed. That's what it means now. A new higher low is about to be formed, but we have a low here, we have a high here, we have a low, but it's now higher than this, higher low, and then a higher high higher than this, and then a higher low higher than this, but a low lower than this, and then we have this, or probably this could actually come over here so that you can identify properly because this was higher than this. So now let's go. Then you have this, broke this structure, and now this is fine. Now this market is still an uptrend, except when this guy is taken out and then reject. It can be taken out as a sweep of liquidity and at the same time continue going up. These are complex stuff. Now I don't want to go to that, but just to show you that what you need to identify trend is market structure and not trend line. Okay, so let's take care of that. Now if that is taken care of, now this is purely price action I'm just showing you. Okay, now a lot of people tells you you don't need indicator. Yeah, fine, but don't believe them. You don't need to depend on indicator, but you may need it because maybe you're a busy person, you don't have all the time to sit down with chart and all of that, but you know basics, and then the indicator just give you a confluence that you want to now maximize and all of that. Just like if you look at the trade I give to our people, and then you can now know how much money they have made already. TP2 is taken care of, and TP3 is about to keys, right? Come on, what are you talking about? I'm sure for anyone who is in this trade, they are already much more and crazy money. Remember, I told you about the gold was about to go up. That's another buying opportunity for anyone who was in gold, right? Now let's go to gold and see what has happened to gold. Let's go. Cool. Ladies and gentlemen, can you see what I told you? Come on. Guys, can you see what I told you, right? That is massive. This is impressive. This is massive. So if you took that trade, for instance, then that's about how many pips is this? That's about guys, let's go like that's about 56 pips. And then cool money. And once you break it, it continues to go up, you trade the stop loss. You don't need too much people to make money. You just need basic knowledge and supporting system. And then money is going to be rolling in. Simple. And I have massive thing for you, and that's why I've just shown you this, and I'm going to show you what I have for you, and that's going to work for you, and then you make a lot of money. Then look at it. So here is it. Now this guy, so when you come, you ordinarily, so as you come, you have done all of this, you're just looking for an entry. So ordinarily, when you come and you draw all of this, it's either the market when it got rejected here, you are selling, and then targeting that when you get here, probably you're going to look for a buy, or you are at this point here. What can I do if I'm at this point? I've done this. You do nothing until the market actually return back here, number one, or the market starts now reacting to movement, because this could be, it's a swing low now, and then when they start reacting to bounce up, it become a swing low, and then you are looking for a buy from there. And that's where you're going to go tentatively looking at it. When is this candle going to close? In the next 17 minutes for this 1 hour time frame. And now, so if I tentatively mark this point, but you cannot mark it because this is not yet an established point of reversal. So the candle is still on. So now let's go to 1 hour, 5 minutes. All right. Or sometimes we refine it in 15 minutes. Either you're still going to find some area of importance. Okay. You're going to find area of importance. Now, are there other key levels that were not identified here? None. All of them were purely identified. That's cool, right? Because I still know that the market is supposed to what? To go up because of this previous resistance and all of that. So now let's go. Now, if this market that you are waiting for now, if this market that you're waiting for, 1 hour candle close is still long, right? So you're going to hover around this point. Eventually, because 1 hour candle is still long, you're still going to hover around this point, maybe when it returns back to this point. Now we'll go back to 5 minutes. Now, if you look at it, 5 minutes, has it actually reacted enough? Has it finished the reaction? The answer is no. So I want to see when the 1 hour time frame closes, and I see what type of candle printed here, if it's going to pull back up, and then that means the trend. Do you understand? Because this is 5 minutes and internal structure for 1 hour. And so that means I can expect the market to return back here. At this point, should I say no? Should I buy? No. But people have bought right before you come. Yes. Don't always jump into the market to fall in line so that you don't get wounded in your hand. You wait for the market appropriate entry so that you will not be under pressure. Ladies and gentlemen, this is fantastic. Now, all of these things I've just shown to you, they are very easy to pick and to work with if you can be patient, and we have a lot of things. Now, you see market is getting rejected gradually. Let's just see what's going to happen, but you have made your money, and then you have adjusted your stop loss. If in the case the market will still trade more, if it doesn't trade more, it break down again, maybe to retest this point or to break it and continue to go down. So you don't need to overburden yourself unnecessarily because of the market, whatever the market is doing. What you need is that collect the money that's available in the market and stop giving yourself headache. You don't need the stress. You need the money. Stop giving yourself stress, guys. Collect the money. The money is more important than the stress. Let the stress be given to others that have ignorance. No, people that are ignorant pay more attention to stress. If you are enlightened, your body is going to be lightened. Do you get it? So you're going to make more money if you can build to understand basic and power of leverage. Can you see, guys? I say you can't do anything here because the market has not stopped. 1 hour time frame is still on. Look at it. When it's going to be 1 hour closes, 1 hour still have about 15 minutes to close. If it's not taken, you're going to come back here or even come down. But as long as you stay above this level headed, no problem. And why will the market come down here? Of course, if you go to 15 minutes, you're going to find out probably there might be some imbalance in the market. Look at it. Too broad here. Whoosh, come down here. Okay, so this is an imbalance. Maybe the market want to get it filled down to this point. My goodness. Come on. So trading, you don't need to bother yourself so much. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what we have. I tell you, we will take you by your hand to be profitable by force. You have an agenda to be successful by force. It's not by fire, by force. It's by now. So we have the Holy Ghost to arrest you for success. It must. You must succeed by force, by fire. You must succeed. And that's exactly what we have for you. Ladies and gentlemen, now let me show to you the opportunity that will make you grab all of this thing very free. I just show you different platform that you pay for scanner, right? And I'm a member, okay? So you can see, this is my name. You can see my picture. I pay for 1 year, right? And then I have all of these resources. We have too many resources that can help us to make money, all right? So just to show you that we have simplified scanners. I have more than what I just showed to you as a scanner and all of that. Look at this. Look at it. This is Bitcoin Cash, BCH, and this scanner is saying, go, buy. Yes, BCH. If I go to let's go to our own scanner. Can we go there? Let's go there. Let's look at it. Let's look at it. Let's clear it. BCH. I can't remember when I opened this BCH chart in my life. Okay, now it's tentatively saying that, okay, this BCH, so probably maybe it's going to, because all the scanners are actually more of scalping and all of that, but I'm not interested in this. And so it actually say that, but I'm not interested in it. All right. Okay, so that's one of the things we need to understand. This space, it's amazing, and I've told you, very simple thing for you to have access to all of these things I'm just mentioning. It's free, and I'll tell you what you need to do. Now, you're welcome. My name again is SFL Jimo. Now, welcome to Plan B Express Cash Flow Solution. I'm going to move away. Plan B Express Cash Flow Solution, your ultimate path to financial freedom. Now, please take to know, everything we say here is not a financial advice. It's practically our own understanding and a way of helping our community, and of course to help humanity. And so you have objection not to take what we tell you, and you have, of course, if it has to do with financial commitment, you may have to go to your financial advisor to ask for guidance. So, but what we give to you is a friendly advice. This is what I'm using. It's working for me. You perhaps may use it and won't work for you because you probably will not obey the rules. So please, everything here is for educational purposes and not to swindle you. But the thing is that we don't do Ponzi scheme. Plan B Express is known for Operation Do It Yourself. What we do is to support you, give you the information and necessary tool that are going to help you. So we have a very fantastic opportunity. And so we said, so are you tired of struggling to grow your wealth? So Plan B Express Cash Flow Solution is a gateway to consistent passive income through a powerful mix of trading, investing, and affiliate earning. So it's a combination of passive and active income system. What do you start? Crypto future staking, earn from the fast-growing crypto market, forex copy trading called PAMM, and then profit from expert traders while you relax. Robotic trading and AI automation, let technology work for you 24/7. Synthetic volatility trading, maximize earning from high potential asset. Affiliate rebate system, get rewarded for referring others. Why choose us? Proven strategy for passive and active income. You just see what I discussed with you now. You trade with ease without trouble. Secure, transparent, and scalable earnings. Multiple streams of income with low effort. A community of like-minded investors. So your financial breakthrough start here. So join Plan B Express Cash Flow. Now let me go to a very fantastic partnership with Secure with a forex broker called CapitalXtend. So Plan B Express Forex Trading with support system. This is where we are inviting you to. Unlimited opportunity with CapitalXtend. And very quickly, I may not go too much about why do we have to choose CapitalXtend, but I have to highlight a few points with you for you to have an understanding the uniqueness of CapitalXtend. Number one, CapitalXtend have a very good leverage up to 1.5000. You know what I'm talking about. So the larger the volume, the easier the little money you have can give you enough money. So imagine you open a trade in CapitalXtend with those signals that are given to you. You are a millionaire without time wasted. Okay? So leverage of up to 1.1:5,000. All right? Very ultra low spread for scalpers. And now, do you know what? I trade even crypto, Bitcoin on CapitalXtend because the spread is second to none. I'm not hyping, guys. This is not the makeup, just not to make up to make you up or to hype your head. No, this is to tell you the reality. Number three, instant deposit and withdrawal via crypto and local currencies, e.g. Naira, if you're in country, Nigeria, and all of that. Number four, 1 million LLOYDS insurance cover. So it's secure and insurance protected. Up to 30% cashback promotion for traders. So you have different means of making money if you set up copy trading platforms and all of that now on CapitalXtend. So we have copy trading and PAMM solutions for investors. I run that. I run both PAMM and copy trading. This is where you are going to make a lot of money. You don't want to lift your fingers, and you don't need to give your money to anybody. I call it decentralized solution. You create your account on CapitalXtend, you fund your account, we tell you how to connect, you are in charge of your money. If you like, you withdraw money anytime, you don't want to follow, you are not paying anything to anybody. It is whatever the expert trade and any profit made, that particular is shared, but you are not paying anybody to get connected. You hear me right? Rebate and monthly support for partners. Did you know that earn salary from CapitalXtend? And I will tell you how it works. So we're going to show you that, and that's why I want you to attend our trainings, and that's going to be coming up. Then and much more. Now register now on CapitalXtend. That's the link. If you go to our group, this link is going to be given to you. Then you register, and then let's kick off from there. Now, the 5-finger solutions utilizing CapitalXtend. Number 1, active career trading trader strategy. So you can see those strategies I just give to you. I talk about scalping and all of that. So you become active trader with us. We give you all of this thing free. You pay nothing to access all of this. You can see there was a signal I sent to my community this morning. If you think blind, so I have to just show you proof of that. Let me quickly show you the proof of that, okay? This is a Telegram. Okay. Okay, you can see somebody say, I just entered after the retracement. Yeah, that's a spirit. So I'm going to tell the person. Okay, he said, yes, that's the spirit. You are doing well. Okay, so here, look at it. So I was just showing them updates so far, how it has gone. Right? Look at it. Look at the signal. This was the signal. You're going to see it here. Second, I tell them to take some partial profit. Ladies and gentlemen, this was the signal. Look at it here. Look at it here. That was the signal. That was the signal. Look at it. Come on, guys. That was the signal. And people have been printing money, even though we have a loss in gold. So US 30 pay the bill, man. Crazy and massive stuff. And that's one of the things that you're going to be having free access to, and once you are coming on CapitalXtend. Wow, what an amazing opportunity, because CapitalXtend make it very simple, soft landing for people to be profitable. You have never seen a broker like this to make people profitable. Have been one of the agenda. That's why they give a lot of support to partners to make sure that people have soft landing. And that's one of the amazing things. And that's why I love CapitalXtend. Okay, so that is the big deal. That's the whole thing we have for you. So active career trader. So imagine you're coming in. We put you basic orientation to know price action and all of that, and then how to take signals. Simple. And then on your own, either signals come or not, you have the scanners. You see this. Only this scanner is enough for you. Only this scanner is enough for you. And there's another dangerous scanner. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Come on, look at it. Come on, look at it, guys. Look at it. Look at it. Selling like pure water. Come on. See, selling, man. So you're there and it's printing money. Why do you want to exit when it's printing money? You have one position that you just continue to trail. When you pull back, you add more position. Come on. You just continue to trail. You just continue to trail. For people who have entered since when the signal was sent, look at it. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Come on. Guys have made a lot of money. Now, people tell you don't need indicator. I'm not saying you need to depend on indicator. Now, why was indicator created? Is to give you a confidence, to support your understanding, your scope. Once you have confirmation of what you have think, what you have thought, now it gives you more simple and then more reliable. So you get more reliability, and then you continue to work in perspective because something already confluence your how do I call it? Stuff what you're imagining or what you're calculating. And now that's a very simple thing. Now when we maximize all of this, and then you can see people are making money every day. That's our forum, man. People are making money. When I mean money, every day. So only this for a day, I can tell you I'm going to tell you that, okay, if I go to the group, I ask how many people have made $500 today. Okay, somebody say go deep with me today, this week. Okay, US 30 has just helped me with small recovery. Oh God. Okay, that's the spirit. That's the spirit. Yeah, I actually even told some of them to avoid trading gold for that week. Because of it was choppy and all the like. And you did see right now. This is it. This is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is it. I'm telling you guys, this is amazing. And the selling still continue. All right. So we have active career trader. So we give support for you. So you want to be active, and trust me, you're going to make a lot of money. And so that means that's your career, that's your job. Sit down home and then connected. We have 3 days live trading session, 1 p.m. local Nigeria local time, Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Okay, we do live session, and then you connect. No story. It's we look at the market vis-a-vis, enter into the market, make money, get out of the market. Okay. Then we will have presentation. We have presentation 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. every Monday, Tuesday, and equally, I think, Friday. Yeah. All right. Then we have what's called active rebate and partners residual strategy. Now, so this platform, CapitalXtend, tells you to go and can invite people to the platform, right? And then let them use the platform to make money. And then you are being rewarded consistently as those people are making money. Not Ponzi scheme, guys. All right. Then we have passive compounding strategy. Passive compounding strategy. There's a PAMM system we set up, and I'm going to show you. So we're going to help you to make passive income, fund your account. You don't give your money to anybody. You open your account, verify your account, fund your account with a specified amount we're going to tell you. Then you connect to us. You just be making money. Oh my God. Then passive medium copy strategy. Why we call it medium is the part you have to allow this to rest. So it may not be, every time to be making money and all. You have to allow it to rest. The other one will say compounding. You can you put the little money, you allow it to run from maybe so many months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, and you'll be surprised how much money you're going to make over time. So that could be your liquid landed property. Okay. Then we have passive robotic conservative strategy. Now this is robotic, and then what to connect on how to connect with that. So these are the 5 fingers on CapitalXtend that we have for you. And now, so what do I need to do? You're going to have all of those things I just mentioned, support system, if you do this follow. Number 1, so active career traders. So what is it? So this is the most lucrative and outstanding opportunity in our ecosystem where newbies and existing traders can leverage on our cutting edge solutions and support system to become simple, consistent, profitable traders. So we do live trading sessions online and in our trade house, give free signals, free trading strategy, and mentorship. See your requirement as follow. Number 1, so this is how it goes. Register on CapitalXtend and fund your account with a minimum of $200 to gain free access to our paid signal for 1 month. Now, you don't give us the money, fund your account. You know basics. If you don't know basics, then that means you need to up your game. Okay. So just fund your account. We'll just give you a little orientation and all of that. You follow the signals. Then maintain a minimum balance of $500 or add up fund to increase your access to 3 months free signals. So trade up to 1,000 minimum balance for 6 month free signals access. Also free access to Felix winning trade strategy course. So we now give you a full course training that you want to download. So maybe straight away, and then so you can learn more in depth and all of that. So you get it right. So you can start. No, I don't have up to $1,000. Look for $200. If it's Ponzi scheme, many people will look for $1 million and look for how to put it out. $200, okay. Start. We hold you by your hands. We give you signals. You make money. You don't pay off for signals. What do you say to CapitalXtend? That's massive. It's the way CapitalXtend was structured that make Plan B to look at. Wow, this is lovely. We're going to use this guy, a platform to help a lot of people. So this is our way of giving back to the community. All right. Part 2, register on CapitalXtend and fund your account with a minimum of $500. So straight, you fund with $500 to gain 3 month free signals. So 3 months For 3 months, 90 days, free signal. Trade up to 1,000 or add fund to maintain a minimum balance of 1,000 for 6 month free signals, and also free access to Felix winning strategy course. Or you register on CapitalXtend and fund your account with a minimum of $1,000 to get access to free signal for 6 months straight up, and also free access to Felix winning strategy course straight up. Just fund your account $1,000. Don't give us the money. Then get all this access. Number 4, you can register on CapitalXtend and fund your account with a minimum of $2,000 to gain free access of our 1-year free signals. Wow. Free access to Felix winning strategy and Felix hack. I have a hack I designed, or just a model of setup on your MT5 that will make you be winning back to back, making money back to back. Number 5, you can register on CapitalXtend and fund your account with $3,000 to gain free access to 1-year signals, Felix winning strategy, Felix hack, and Felix winning market scanner bundles. Woo, those things I just showed you. Do you like it? You love it. You love it. I like that. You love it. Imagine you have this and just giving you when to take the trade, how to. You don't even wait for Felix. Though you wait for me to give you a guide how to go about it. But man, you don't need to do it yourself. You just allow the trade to run, and then you make money. We have a lot of things. Okay? Now look at gold. I told you, let's look at gold. We said you're going to be practicing, and then look at what gold has done. Let's see like that. Let's look at it. Let's look at it. Let's look at it. Wow. See? Come on. Come on. So you can see that you really don't need noise from anybody. Look at this. Do you enjoy this? Yes, it's just to stay cool and see what's happening. You go to 1 minute, you're going to see it properly. Man, look at it. Look at it, guys. Come on, look at what has happened. Then the market up to 300, guys. So it's going to be going up to 300. Come on. So what are you talking about? This is amazing. This is, guys, this is cool. So imagine, you enter 2 positions and allow one to run, and then you begin to trail with the other ones, and then there you go. So imagine as you continue to trail over here, of course, you expect some resistance over here, right? So, or even where it is now, so but over here. Now, if you eventually tap to this point, 230 pips, guys. What? Come on. That's crazy. All right, so this is amazing. So register on CapitalXtend and fund your account with, fund the account with $5,000. It's your money, guys. Minimum of $5,000 and gain free access to 2 years signals, free. Felix winning strategy, Felix hack, Felix market scanner bundles, and 3-month one-on-one mentorship with Felix. Super. Totally. There are other things I'm going to be showing you, even how when you make your money, how to build up. So the part 2 is, I will say, active rebate. No. So CapitalXtend has an amazing rebate and partner support system, that help business promoters work from home, individuals and influencers with 0 cost. So why partner with CapitalXtend? 0 entry cost, no fees to get started, unlimited earnings. Your income grows with your clients. All right, with your clients' trading activities, global market access, tap into the 7.5 trillion daily forex market, empower others to trade while securing your own consistent dollars. That's amazing. Now, 5 ways to earn in dollars as CapitalXtend IB partner. Number 1, as an IB partner at CapitalXtend, you work as a business developer officer, DBO, to acquire clients and retain deposit. Here is how you earn. Weekly rebate, $10 to $1,000 weekly based on traded volumes. Of course, when you gather a lot of people are trading, and look at it, we have a soft landing for them. They don't need to disturb yourself. They follow our signals. They are making money. You are making money. Imagine you do not, 0 cost. Now, monthly salary, get a fixed salary of $50 to $5,000, depending on the total, what the people funded and the number of people you invited to your ecosystem in a month. So the net deposit, then performance fee, and 20 to 50% of your managed client profits. So do copy trading PAMM, then agent commission, receive 10% to 30% shares of a client profits, social profit, affiliate commission, make 5 to 50% reselling education, signals indicators, EAs, and AI robot, and more. This is massive. Part C, passive companion strategy. We run passive income where you can start with a minimum $100 deposit and patiently watch it grow in compounding mode without you lifting a finger. This is made possible with CapitalXtend PAMM solution. So you are in charge of your money in your personal account on CapitalXtend broker. Number D, this is passive medium copy trading. This is another passive income tool that helps investor to leverage on the expert strategy without lifting a finger. They start from a minimum of $500. Remember, this is fully decentralized because you are in charge of your money on the broker. So you don't give your money to Felix. The last point, passive robotic conservative strategy. These are AI robotic solution that enables users to connect their account to EAs while generating passive income. I think this is going to take about $1,000 to $3,000 to get it set up and all of that. But guys, this is the boom we're looking for. This is the big deal we're looking for. This is the bumper we're looking for. Come on, come on, come on. Let's celebrate. Celebrate. Come on, let's celebrate. Now, this is amazing. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm so flabbergasted. Come on, this account, man, CapitalXtend. I love this broker. And what do you say to Plan B Express? Out of the generosity, we don't want anybody to be charged for anything. Yours is to bundle yourself, come into CapitalXtend, do as we said. You need more further clarity and information and what to do and how to go about all of those details I've just mentioned. Then you just got to inbox me on this phone number +234 9047044998. I'll take the number again, +234 9047044998. Only on WhatsApp. Ladies and gentlemen, you can't just wait for any time than to kick off. We've kicked off 3-month challenge since May beginning. Now we continue June and July. After then, we want to see how much portfolio we'll be able to build in our active trading, in our passive income, and all of that. When you hear about passive income here, it's not Ponzi of giving money to one third-party platforms and then you do not know what they are doing and then they are giving you reward. The time they will come, they will do you like Chibes. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm so excited. So we can't wait. By month of June, we are kicking off more viral. So you want to be viral with us, don't waste time. Chat up with that phone number +234 9047044998 and 998. This is an amazing opportunity. What are you waiting for? Stop looking back. Let's kick off. Let's maximize the opportunity. Let's make money. Let's build wealth. Let's affect life. Let's be positive. Let's help people out of debt and let's put smiles on people's faces. This is Felix, Plan B Express. Together we rise. You can't wait again. Let's fire on. This is what we have, and that's the opportunity. Don't waste time. Share with your friends, share this, and then make sure you like and connect with this, subscribe to this channel, and then as we provide you more information and opportunity about what we do. Thank you very much again and again. Let's build up wealth. Let's make genuine money. Sit down at home, sit down home, mom, parent, you're a civil servant, you're an engineer, you're a government workers, whatever. So we have the solution, we have the answer, we have what fits you, we have what you can maximize. It's not about being fully active. You can do on part-time basis, like the passive income, invest your account, your money. Don't give your money to anybody, fund your account, get connected. You don't pay anybody anything, and then let's make money. So thank you very much. My name again is Peter Jimo. This is how we run. So remember, we said we run live trading session 3 times a week, and of course, presentation 3 times a week. The trading section is 1 p.m. Nigeria time. That is the season of New York trading session. And then that will be Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. While our presentation is Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. But that is 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Nigeria local time. Invite everyone you know, and let's build up together. Plan B Express, together we rise. Bye for now.